So hi there buddies, hope you all are great. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you how you can get your PayPal API credentials. So it's like if you have created your PHP site, or if you have a Shopify store or any store where you want to integrate your PayPal website app, where you want to integrate your PayPal, then how you can create your API key. So for this, what you have to do is, so in description, I will give you the link. So you have to go to this link developer.paypal.com. Now before moving to here, make sure your account is fully created and there should not be any pending task. Your account should be fully active. Now just go to this link developer.paypal.com. Okay, accept, get started. Here you see this resources APIs. You have to click on this. Now here you can read these things. I'll click on this. Now here you see this. Now here there is this option app and credentials. Now here you see this one is your default application client ID and your secret key. Now if you want to create another API key, then you can just click on this thing, create app, new app, and this should be in merchant. Click on this, create app. Now you see this is our credentials, our client ID, and this one is our secret key. And same thing, if you want to do it in live mode, then also you can do this thing. Click on this apps and credentials, live, and same you can just create. So I hope you like this video. If yes, then you can give this video a like and do subscribe this channel. So that's it. Thank you and bye bye.